What else did you tell Mr. Fitzpatrick, if anything?
I told him that I wasn't going to leave my husband. The only way that he and I would have the opportunity to ever be together in our future was if something had happened to Michael.
And something did in fact happen. Her husband was shotgunned to death. Prosecutors say it was this man, Sean Fitzpatrick. The motive, they say, is he wanted her for himself. The defense says the wrong man is on trial. And in Las Vegas, in a hearing room, a different type of trial. Should this woman, a judge, be removed from the bench? Allegations contend that she is not fit to sit in judgment of others. She says otherwise. All of this coming up today as Banfield and Ford take you courtside.
Joining us in studio in New York and a studio in New York is New York and New Jersey-based criminal defense attorney Rachel Kugel. Good to see you, Rachel. Nice to see you for your first time on courtside. And George Vomvolakis is a former Manhattan prosecutor and currently a criminal defense attorney and frequent guest of ours here on courtside. Nice to see you back, George. I'm going to ask you guys to listen along with me and with the audience as we sort of delve into the personal emotion of what a trial can offer you from the witness stand. George Vomvolakis, let me ask you this as a former prosecutor. What are you doing when you're leading up to this case and you know darn well that you probably have to do everything you can to investigate Michelle and any potential connection she might have to this crime, but you want to preserve her as your star witness and thereby make sure she doesn't hate you?
There's a fine line there, Ashley. You have to be very careful in investigating her, but you have to do so very thoroughly because you need to assume that the defense is going to know everything that you will potentially know, or I mean,
you're going on the assumption that exactly what I just asked Rachel, right? The defense is probably going to try and pin it on her.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, absolutely. And I agree with Rachel here when she says, and I don't think here in this situation it would be just women treating her a certain way or listening to her testimony a certain way. I think it's most people. I mean, here's a woman, in her past, she had an affair, but if you listen to her words carefully, it still seems like she's not defending Sean, but I mean, she's saying great things about him. She went so far as to say Sean is accommodating, as always, walked me and the children back. I mean, her choice of words there and her description of him, it shows that she still has feelings for him, and a jury may decide that maybe she doesn't think he did it.
Yeah, that's a good point.